Welcome to Cedar Hill Country Market. Today I'm going to be showing you some new products that we're going to be bringing to our website, and we're so excited to be diversifying and moving things around, and not just focusing on t-shirts but focusing on American made, handcrafted, artisan, beautiful gifts that you would love to give or buy for yourself. So today I'm going to show you some home decor, some plaques that I think everybody's going to love. And I don't know about you, but it's really hard to shop online and just see a little picture of something and think, I want to buy that. So I thought a video would really help enhance some of the the textures and everything, and hopefully I'll be able to show that off in the video for everybody to see what top quality products that we're going to be now having. We've always had top quality products, but some that we're going to be carrying in our store for gifts at really super affordable prices. So let's get started. Okay, so here's one of the items that we're going to be carrying, and it just says, if you ate today, you need to thank a farmer. And we thought that was a beautiful little plaque that is easy to decorate. It'll stand on its own. You don't really have to, mess too much with it. On the back of this, it's hollowed out, so you can use whatever hangers. Most people have shelving now that they're putting things on, and it'll stand on its own. And I'll leave a link to the products in the show me more notes or the description area of the video, so you'll be able to see exactly what these are. All right, let's go to the next one. This one is a really one that we've seen out a lot with t-shirts. Let me take it out of the plastic. We just got in our inventory of these, and so I haven't unwrapped them all. It's beautifully painted, and this is a teal, a really dark teal color, and all of these are hand painted by American artisans. And on the back side, it's got a hook here and a hook here, so that you can different ways of hanging it. Obviously this one is horizontal and it needs to go this way, but beautiful, just a beautiful hand painted wood block that I think would enhance any wall. And all the sizes, the pricing is all going to be on our website. These are really neat too. If you're looking for just a small gift, something under $10, this is one of my favorites. I bought quite a bit of these to sell, but it simply says, "Be the light." And that's a super inspirational quote. I think it's just absolutely adorable. And it's been whitewashed, hand painted, the back. This is just a little plaque that you'd want to put on an office desk or on a shelf, maybe by your bedside table, something like that. And it can be paired with any of these other plaques. So I'm just going to show you a few of them, but our website is full of them. And let's see, here's another block. They're packaging them too to a package, so I apologize for that. And this one just says, "You're enough." And that's so inspirational. I know many times, especially now with everything going on, sometimes, we get down the dumps, but this is just a really great inspirational, great reminder, a great gift idea, and to put on a shelf or next to a bedside table as well. Let's see, another one. I think you can see pretty much what these are, but I'm going to leave this one in the package. And this one just says, "You were born to be real, not to be perfect." And just a really great inspirational small little plaque. Again, just a little reminder Just a beautiful little plaque. It's been whitewashed and it's been digitally printed. This one's not been hand painted. It's been digitally printed. So that's a really nice one. I don't want to drop any of them either. This is a great one too. It says no one is, let's see. No one is you, and that is your superpower. This is a beautiful, this has been digitally printed, just beautiful, different fonts. We also sell this on a t-shirt, but this is a really beautiful plaque, and they're really thick. You know, they're 2 inches thick. I mean, that's a really hefty duty little plaque there. One of my very favorites that I just had to bring to the store. I just couldn't resist. I had to bring this one to the store because I too have adopted many animals. And this one says, you can't buy love, but you can adopt it. And this one, we've added a little clip here so you could put a picture of your adopted pet. And it's got the little paw prints all the way around it. Do you see that? This one right here has been hand painted. And this one too can stand on its own. It doesn't have a hanger, but you could certainly add a hanger on this and hang it on the wall. So we just thought this was beautiful. I've got several of these in inventory, but I don't expect this particular one to last very long. We all love adopted pets. So I'm going to leave this one over here. And we've got a whole bunch of these. I think these are going to go fast, which is why I got a lot of them. But these are on little ropes, and they're hand painted little gnomes. And for those of us who love little gnomes, this is Merry Christmas on it. And this is just a great little piece to add on a wreath. You could add them for wreaths or on door hangers or anything like that. We just thought those were beautiful. And I've got several of these in stock, but I do not expect those to last at all. Okay, and then the last ones I'm going to show you okay, I'll show you this last one here. And it says, when life gives you leaves, jump. And it's just the long wooden ones that set like on a mantle of a fireplace or something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll check out all of our new home decor on cedarhillcountrymarket.com. Everybody have a blessed day and find somebody to bless.